Hello everyone. I'm just going to give the stream a minute to get going, and then we're going to get started for today's video. Okay, stream is up and working. Perfect. There we go. We're up and running. Everything's looking good. We are just going to give it about a minute to get started. And then we'll get into today's news. Okay, so weird report out today, a weird article rather, talking about FBI investigated extortion attempts over allegedly negative Ripple videos. So before everyone gets all panicked about what this is not anything that's, huge news or anything like that. This is nothing against Ripple. That's this article. It's nothing against Ripple. Basically what happened is some people were threatening to put out negative videos on Ripple, and they tried to extort them. They said, we're going to put out these videos if you don't give us this much XRP. And most likely what happened is Ripple told them to go take a hike, because there's most companies are not going to respond to extortion attempts, especially companies as big as Ripple. Maybe a little local business, hey, we're going to put out a negative article for you if you don't pay $500. Maybe they would do it, but companies worth, millions and billions of dollars are not really going to do that, okay? Ripple Labs, the digital asset payment service provider tied to XRP, one of the 5 largest cryptocurrencies, was blackmailed at the height of cryptomania 3 years ago, CoinDesk has learned. Documents obtained by CoinDesk through the Freedom of Information Act requests show an unidentified individual email Ripple on October 19th, 2017, demanding 5 million XRP, then worth $1.1 million, in exchange for withholding videos it claimed portrayed the company in a negative light. I mean, this is just a nothing burger. You know how many videos are out there that try and bash Ripple or try and bash XRP? Why would they pay any money for one person when if they don't do it, 10 other people will, right? We all know there's a lot of haters out there, a lot of XRP and Ripple haters out there. It just doesn't make sense as to why they would, if they were to pay it. There's no evidence that they did pay it, okay? There's no evidence that they didn't either. We don't know enough about it, but I highly doubt Ripple paid $1 million to stop some lowlife from releasing negative videos. I mean, I highly doubt it, okay? The Federal Bureau of Investigations, San Fran, whatever, offices investigated the extortion attempt from October 23rd, 2017 to April 20th, 2018, according to the documents, which do not describe the content in the videos or whether Ripple paid the 5 million XRP. Again, I don't think they did. The case was closed after there was trouble tracking the extortionists down with just an email, internet service provider, and an IP address, and a company or smartphone's online fingerprint, the document says. Asked about the videos and payment requests, Ripple did not respond by press time, and FBI declined to comment. Some people might get nervous at that Ripple declined to request, but I mean, it's probably because it was an active investigation at one point, and Ripple probably doesn't want more extortion emails sent to them. So I think that's why they're not commenting on it. Overall, I think this was a weird article that came out today. I don't think there's anything really significant about it. I think that it's probably a nothing burger. I mean, think of companies, how many emails they get sent daily on extortion. Think of banks, Visa, service providers, Visa, MasterCard, wipe away my credit card debt, or I'm going to do this. It happens all the time, and it doesn't look like they actually paid it, so that's good. Next up, PayPal said to be in talks to buy crypto firms, including BitGo. This is interesting. We see PayPal moving more and more into the cryptocurrency industry. I think this is a sign of the times. I think this is a sign that we're going to see more and more payment providers and businesses and companies moving into the cryptocurrency industry over the next few years. It's not going to happen immediately. It's going to happen slowly over time. but I think that's going to be happening, and I think this signals, or should signal to most people, that cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's here to stay, guys. It's not going anywhere. It's not going away anytime soon. It's here to stay, and companies are trying to get involved with it. What do companies want to do? They want to make money. If there was no money in it, then they wouldn't be getting involved with it. And PayPal has some of the brightest minds on its board. They have the smartest people in the world, of course. All Harvard graduates, Stanford graduates, Yale graduates, all over their teams. And I think it's just, it's just evidence that smart people want to get into this industry before it's too late. Because once it's too late, once everything's super up in value, it's going to be harder to make money. We're still in the early phases of this, right? We're still in the pretty early phases, and we have to keep our eyes out for more companies who are going to try and get involved with this. Who's next? Is it Visa? Is it MasterCard? Is it another big bank, right? We see so many banks getting involved with crypto, especially with XRP, that I think that there's something very important going on here, and it's something that we need to keep our eyes on, all right? Moving on to the markets today, markets were up a little bit today. Most of your top coins up or down between 1% and 2%, but the total market cap is up just under 1% on the day. Bitcoin dominance is at 60%, and total market cap is just under 400 billion US dollars. Not too much to say about the markets. We're having a really good week in the past 7 days. Bitcoin up 15%, Ethereum 13%, XRP 6%. Okay, we're up a lot in the past 7 days for most of your top coins, and I think that's really good. Overall, yeah, things are looking very positive. Expect some pullbacks, except some profit taking, right? There's going to be some profit taking, so don't be phased by that if prices go down a few days. But overall, things are looking very positive in the crypto markets, and I'm really excited for what the next basically end of the year holds, especially the beginning of next year. I think the beginning of next year is going to be even bigger than the end of this year as far as prices go, and as far as development goes, and adoption and all that jazz. So definitely really excited about that. That's really it for the stream, guys. If anybody wanted to get a free stock, that's right, a free stock, click the link in the description, my Robinhood referral link. You'll get a free stock. You click that link, you sign up, get a free stock. It could be between $1 and $200. Me personally, I got a free stock of Facebook that was valued at $140 at the time. So you have a shot at that. Just click that link in the description. And you can get a free stock. If you're a new viewer or you're watching this on video on demand, once it turns to a video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you next time, and I hope you all have a really, really great day.